Room number 919026, Yacht Club. So you come in, to the left there's a mirror shelf. Right, yeah. Door. It's the room. Here, they brought a third bed in. To the left is the bathroom. Pretty decent sized bathroom. Got some lit spot rugs. Toilet. Shower. Pretty big shower. Rain shower. Seat. Go back. Closet right here. Good amount of space. One closet. Space on the bottom. Another closet right beside that one. Three drawers. A lot of room. Lot of room. Welcome, sippers. This is left over here. Got a telephone, some outlets, refrigerator, stacked with some fruits, beer, soda, water. Over here you got a shelf. Pringles, I think you only get one of that. Teas, coffee, pods for the machine. What that is, some design of these. So we got some of the water already. Outlets in here. Tubes, USB. They give you a selection. The Jack Daniels. You can select what alcohol you wanted. Daily program. My room attendant had given us some kids chocolate cookies. More water. The coffee maker. Extra bed they put out for the kids. It's another pull-out bed. Fits done at night. Shelf, the bed. Bed right there. Alright, good night. Just the light switch. This one, a light switch and one USB outlet. Here's the balcony. Pretty decent sized balcony. 2 chairs. We're docked. The balcony right here. Pretty decent sized balcony. then we go back. See down right there. Go back to the closet. Another big walk-in closet right here. All the space you need, extra space. Safe. Drawers. Decent sized drawers. A lot of room. And that's it. Here you have it. This is the bottom. We got tissue. And here you got cupboard space. More garbage, cupboard space, and you got an outlet right up top right here. Outlet, you got a shaver or electric, one outlet in the bathroom.